And then we have got
इसका सब्जी बनता है ना?
हाँ हाँ
सांगड़ी का सब्जी.
सांगरी का सब्जी. And for those people like me, we have ready-made food ready to cook where
Okay.
you will have all the ingredients ready and then you can make it in 10-15 minutes.
What is this basically?
This is panchkuta. It's like 5 things, 5 vegetables.
Welcome back to the channel everyone. Hope you guys are doing fine. আজি হ'ল Sunday and আজি plan কৰিছো এটা জায়গাত যাম বুলি. There is a new place by the name Nut Bagan. আৰু এইটো আপোনাৰ নতুনকৈ খুলিছে GS Road. I guess near Ulubari. এতিয়ালৈকে I'm not sure actually ক'ত exact locationটো ক'ত আছে. So শুনিছোঁ তাত ভাল মানে dry fruits পায় আৰু মিঠাইও পায়. And as you guys know, এতিয়া off season চলি আছে, so I'm not having all the junk food, but এতিয়া মানে মই strict dietত নাই. So চাওঁ আজি কি আছে তাত exactly কি পায় আৰু try কৰিম something new because recently মোৰ friend এজনে গৈছিলে তাত and he said it's quite good and সি কিবা কিবি কিনিছিলেও তাৰ পৰা. So আজি তাত যোৱা এটা প্লেন কৰিছোঁ মই. এতিয়া আছোঁ জিমত and আজিও মোৰ ৰুটিন মতে চেষ্ট আৰু ট্ৰাইচেপছ আছে. চ' এতিয়া ৱৰ্কআউট কৰিম. ৱৰ্কআউট কৰাৰ পিছত লগ পাই আছোঁ আপোনালোকে. এতিয়া ঘৰ গৈ আছোঁ. ঘৰ গৈ ফ্ৰেছ হয়. তাৰপিছত মই যে কৈছিলোঁ আজি নাট বাগান যাম, গৈ চাওঁ. So finally inside Nut Bagan and it is basically in Bhangagar, right? And I am with the co-owner of Nut Bagan. She is Miss Prerna Bansal. Okay, so today Miss Prerna will be telling us about the store. She will be showing us what all is there inside the store. Chalo, let's check it out.
This is Bihu time. So we have all the pitha, nariyal laddu, and then we have winter Sankranti special gajaks and all from Rajasthan. Then this side we have flavored dry fruits, sun-dried fruits and seeds.
Okay, these are imported ones or these are?
So we have all kind of stuffs inside it. We have dates also, dates replacement of sugar like date powder, date syrup.
Okay.
Here we have wide range of dry fruits. So we have from 680 rupees American almonds to 4,000 jumbo mavra.
4,000, right?
Yeah, 4,000 rupees kg jumbo mavra.
Okay.
Then we have all the exclusive nuts like hazelnut, pecan nuts, Brazil nuts, macadamia nuts and pine nuts.
Okay, all the fancy nuts.
All the fancy nuts.
Okay.
By different varieties of cashew, kishmish,
Okay.
pista and all. Here we have munchies, mints and
Chocolates and
chewing gums
all.
and chocolates.
Okay.
This last section is all about mouth fresheners and chocolates.
Okay.
So we have,
खाने के बाद.
yeah,
Okay.
to have some dessert.
Okay, wafers and also, right?
Then we have cookies from, this is a 300-year-old bakery. It's based in England. Fortnum and Mason.
Yeah.
So this makes them. Then this is a NTC brand. It's a chocolate boutique store, Mumbai based.
Which one? Which one?
NTC.
All right,
Yeah.
this one.
Yeah.
This is based in Mumbai. Mumbai.
Yeah. All our chocolates mostly are imported chocolates.
Lind.
Galaxy truffles. Then we've got Link truffles. And very exclusive chocolates collection we have. Then over this side we have our gifting section. So we make hampers, we have ready-made dry fruit boxes and baklava boxes. We make hampers from 400 till date. I've made 21,000 ka also hamper.
21,000.
Yeah, from
All
400 to 21,000 of hampers we have already made.
Okay.
So we have wide range of hampers.
Okay. These are the
These
boxes.
are boxes for dry fruits. Then
Okay.
we have dry fruits plus baklava boxes.
Okay. मतलब इसमें हम लोग गिफ्ट पैक करके we can.
Yeah, and then we have baskets, big baskets to give. Choose your snacks. We'll put this inside and decorate it beautifully for you.
Okay. Like
For
this.
any occasions.
Like this, right?
Yeah, we have boxes. So here you put 12 pieces of baklava, 4 different kind of flavor dry fruits or normal dry fruits.
Okay.
Then again,
What is this?
these are sharbat boxes where you have 5 different kind of sharbat.
Sharbat.
3
Okay.
boxes, fruit wines,
Okay. Non-alcoholic.
fruit champagnes, non-alcoholic. Coming to this side, we have very exclusive collection of chocolates. Something we are very proud of is Ferrero Rocher bars, M&M bars,
M&M.
Lindt sticks, then Lindt Creations, which is repetitive orders we have for this.
Okay. This looks interesting. What is this?
Yeah, this is another product. This is a protein beer.
Protein beer?
Yeah,
Okay.
non-alcoholic.
How much protein is there in here?
21 grams of protein.
21 grams.
Yes.
Okay. Is this
So
sugar free?
basically,
Sugar free? Is this sugar free or what?
have a less amount of sugar. It's more of a healthy drink.
Okay, healthy drink.
Like 7 eggs equal to 7 white eggs.
Exactly. And nice. Even there are some protein milkshakes. Nice.
Coming to this section, we have spreads, butters. You have got cashew, almond, hazelnut spreads.
Okay.
They
Where
have
is
got-
the hazelnut spread?
Here we. These are the hazelnut spreads.
Brownie beer. Okay.
Then we have got Lotus Biscoff spreads. Coming to this section, we have Chyawanprash, Sharbat, vinegars, honey, coffee.
Coffee. Okay. ये सब क्या है आपका? शरबत.
All sherbets.
शरबत. ये सब ना?
Mojito and all this stuff like that.
Okay. This is something better than the usual cornflakes.
Yeah. Vitamix it's a famous brand. Those who know, they know it's
They
a
know.
very quality product. So
It's a
we
good
have few
replacement.
customer base
Uh-huh.
for this, but those who know, they are
They
very
know.
regular based product. Then we've got papad and all. That is one of our. And we have got Lekadam haldi.
Okay.
This is pure Lekadam haldi. We've got jaggery powder, pickles.
Okay.
We've got Rajasthani section where we have got Rajasthani vegetables like sangri, guarfali.
Sangri.
Yeah.
Okay. This is
Sam.
uh, ये आपका एक कोई पेड़ के बार्क से
Yeah,
कुछ
yeah, it's very healthy thing to have.
for snack lovers. We have got plenty of. यहाँ पे
This snack, this is Rajasthani section where you have fully roasted snacks. So these are very healthy. Basically, most of them are millets. This is bajra, ragi, chirwa, quinoa and seeds, same ke seeds.
Okay.
Then we have got a lot of cookies options, Milka, Fox, Chippahoy to name outside of India. Then we have Indian bakeries like Anand.
Okay.
So they have 3 cookies, pista, badam and chocolate. And then we have a tie-up with a bakery, Delhi based, Prem
Okay.
Se.
क्या नाम है बेकरी?
Prem Se.
प्रेम सी. Okay.
We have a tie-up with Delhi bakery. So we have their stuff.
What is this keto brownie mix?
This is keto diet.
Alright.
And we've got things of Upnourish. Those who are very busy and need to do health management stuff. This is thing to do.
Okay. Quick meal.
Yeah. And then we have cookies of snacks out here. We have got really hot selling flyberry snacks and fat box. People love it. Then the unhealthy ones like Kettle Studio, all-time favorite potato chips.
What is this basically? ये
This two are chips. This is corn, sweet corn. These are really good. Flyberry ka product again, people love this.
Okay.
Like if it is bhindi chips, it's like mostly 99% it's bhindi.
Okay. This is interesting. Nice.
Then coming to the another favorite section of mine is
Even it's mine. मेरा भी favorite है ये.
and baklava.
Okay.
So we have got huge variety of dates from Nijul, Ajwa,
Okay.
Mabroom, Kalmi, and then we have got flavor dates,
Rose Gulkand dates. Okay.
Rabri, and then coffee walnut. Then we have baklava over here. Different variety. Let me give you one of my favorite chocolate.
So you allow people to taste also, right?
Yeah.
Huh?
For tasters,
Okay.
obviously, and this is for you to try.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Chocolate
Chocolate.
chocolate walnut.
Chocolate walnut.
How is it?
It's very. It's your favorite?
It's one of my favorites.
It's very good. So done with my shopping. कुछ ले लिया मैंने और अभी और हाँ एक प्रोटीन शेक भी मैंने ले लिया बिकॉज आई एम हंग्री एज यूजुअल एंड थैंक यू मैम पूरा स्टोर दिखाने के लिए
It was nice meeting you.
या सेम ईयर तो thank you so much.
Thank you.
And-
Please visit us again.
Yes, I will. And definitely you guys please come here. Nut Bagan, it's in Bhangagar. Come here.
Opposite Provident Fund Office.
Okay. So आप लोग यहाँ पे आइए আৰু ইয়াত আহি আপোনালোকে বহুত ধৰণৰ মানে ইয়াত খোৱা সামগ্ৰী আছে ষ্টাৰ্টিং ফ্ৰম হেল্ডি নন হেল্ডি চব আছে ডেটছ আছে ইয়াত মোৰ ফেভৰেট বাকলাভা আছে কুকিজ আছে চকলেটছ আছে এভৰিথিং
And obviously nuts.
নাটছ মেইন যোনটো নাটছ চ' আহিব ইয়াত এবাৰ চেক কৰি যাব আৰু বহুত ভেৰাইটিৰ নাটছ আছে বহুত ভেৰাইটি ইনফেক্ট ব্ৰাজিলিয়ান নাটছ হেজেল নাটছ বহুত কিবা কিবি আছে চ' আহি এবাৰ ইয়াত চেক কৰিব চেক কৰি চাই ল'ব কেনেকুৱা লাগে আপোনালোকক আৰু ভিডিঅ'টো ইয়াতে আজি সমাপ্ত কৰিলোঁ যদি ভাল লাগিছে ডেফিনেটলি লাইক শ্বেয়াৰ আৰু ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিব টিল দেন টেক কেয়াৰ বাই বাই
Bye-bye.